You're successful in your career, you are earning well, but do you have a clear strategy for turning that income into lasting wealth and security? Probably you are like most professionals I meet, working hard but struggling with these questions. How do I build wealth that actually lasts? Am I choosing the right health insurance for my situation? Is buying property in Germany actually a good investment for me? If you are trying to figure this out on your own, you are probably feeling overwhelmed by conflicting advice, complex options, and uncertainty about what's really best for your life. Here's the problem. Most people treat wealth accumulation, healthcare, and property as completely separate decisions. They end up with disconnected solutions that don't work together at all. And they miss the big picture of how everything affects their long-term financial security. Sounds familiar? That's exactly why I created this video. I'm Nataliya. I'm independent health and wealth advisor. I've been helping international professionals in Germany, like you, build true financial security for over 12 years. And I found that most people are missing something crucial: the connection between their finances, their health coverage, and their property decisions. To enjoy financial freedom, excellent healthcare, and a stable future, you need a clear and sustainable strategy. The strategy is based on three essential pillars that I've integrated into what I call the prosperity triangle. The prosperity triangle forms the foundation of my entire advisory approach. And these are the three essential pillars of this concept. Number one, better health, optimal health care coverage. Number two, better wealth, optimal financial planning and wealth accumulation. And number three, better home, smart real estate strategy and financing of this strategy. These three areas aren't separate decisions. They are deeply connected parts of your financial security. When one area is weak or neglected, your entire financial foundation becomes unstable. And today, I want to show you what these areas really mean from your perspective. Not theory, but real-life questions and decisions of which my clients face. Let's start with health, because health is the cornerstone of everything else. If you're in the public health system in Germany, you might be experiencing long waiting times for specialists, sometimes months for important appointments, brief, impersonal doctor visits where you barely have time to explain your concerns, limited access to preventive care and modern treatments. And if you are privately covered, you might wonder if your plan truly fits your needs, or if your plan is full of gaps, which could cost you much money in the future. In this part of my work, I help you understand your private or supplementary health insurance options. But more importantly, I help you answer these questions. Which benefits do you need today and in the future? What happens if you start a family, change job, or move within or outside of Germany? How do you avoid hidden gaps or surprise bills in the future? The right health insurance isn't just about doctor visits. It's about securing immediate access to the best specialists when you need them, also comprehensive coverage for preventive care, and last but not least, the best treatments available on the market, not just the standard one. Think about it. What good is financial wealth for if your health suffers because you can't access proper care? The right health strategy protects both your physical well-being and your financial security, because unexpected medical costs can quickly drain your savings if you are not properly covered. The second pillar of my prosperity triangle concept is wealth. And I don't mean getting rich overnight. I mean building real financial strength, step by step. You might be earning well now, but have you asked yourself, can I maintain my current lifestyle long term, or am I dependent on my next paycheck? Am I losing money to unnecessary taxes because I don't have the right strategy? What happens if I can't work for several months or even years due to illness or accident? Will my retirement savings actually be enough when I need them? Most people I meet have no clear answers to these questions. They are earning good money but lack a real strategy for building lasting wealth. In the Better Wealth area, we focus on building financial stability that grows automatically for my clients, creating tax-efficient strategies that keep more money in your pocket, securing your income against unexpected events, illnesses, or accidents, building retirement savings that will actually sustain your lifestyle. Better Wealth is about turning questions into a plan and turning income into true financial freedom. Third pillar, your own home, better home. Buying property in Germany is possibly one of the biggest financial decisions you'll ever make. Still, most people approach it with very little strategy. They don't know how to find the best financing among more than 1,000 options, how much equity is actually optimal to their situation, how to structure the purchase to maximize tax advantages, or how to integrate their property into their overall wealth strategy. A property should strengthen your financial position, not weaken it. With the right approach, your home will become a stable asset that grows in value, a hedge against inflation and rising rents, a key component of your retirement strategy, and a source of financial security for your family. But without the right financing and integration into your overall strategy, that same property can become a financial burden that limits your options for decades. Now, here's what makes the prosperity triangle so powerful. These three areas don't work in isolation. They form a complete system. When your health insurance, financial strategy, and property decisions work together, you create something much stronger than just the sum of its parts. You create true financial security that can weather any storm, whether it's health challenges, market fluctuations, or career changes. Every person has a unique situation, individual goals, and different priorities. That's why there is no one-size-fits-all solution. What you need is a strategy tailored specifically to your life, your goals, and your future. Want to learn more about building your personal prosperity triangle? Subscribe to this channel for weekly videos with practical advice on all aspects of building wealth, optimizing your healthcare, and making smart property decisions in Germany. And if you are ready to get serious about your financial future, you can join one of my upcoming free webinars where I'll explain exactly how to build your own prosperity triangle step by step. The links are in the description below. If you'd prefer to talk about your specific situation one-on-one, you can book a free, no obligation consultation with me. That link is also in the video description. Your health, your wealth, your future. I'm Nataliya, and I'm here to help you build true financial security in Germany in a way that works for your life. See you in the webinar or in our first call. Just click the links below to register or schedule a consultation with me. Bye!